Today is day 80 something of getting rich with AI. We're gonna keep recording every step of the way. And this tool claims it can help us escape the matrix. Now, whether you know or not, AI is here and is here to stay, whether you like it or not. And the demand for online business, online stores is booming. But what if you could get a free store and the Amazon business all in one place? That's what we're going to discuss in this video. I suggest you stay tuned because this is going to be a straight to the point video, but it's going to be a banger. Now, the problem with most of y'all is y'all think the Matrix is just a movie, but we always talking about escaping the Matrix here, and the Matrix starts with your mindset, and they always going to find a way to limit you, bro. Try to hold on how you create the store. Well, this is how much this costs. They're going to make products more expensive, make it more difficult to create this over here. But they're saying that the Matrix is more than a movie because this is going to help you escape it by giving your time back so you can get the free store right now. And just to show you here, they've helped over 1.5 million people achieve financial independence, they saying. This is according to Facebook, Google, and SiteJabber. So some trusted sources. So you can't be trading your time for a fixed amount of survival. Even when you start growing, the system's always going to find a way to cap your potential through stress, bills, lack of time. You know how it goes, bro. So I've always said that true freedom isn't just about mindset. It's about having a system that's going to work for you while you rest. You dig me, gang? So today, this tool is showing you right here that you can literally grab your free store right here and start incorporating this with your Amazon business. So as you see, a person did that and they're already selling products. Now, I also want to show you this tutorial video. Let's watch that. So right here in this video, you're literally seeing step by step, bro, how this lady's taking pictures of her dog, love for her animal, whatever it is. And in 3 easy steps, she's going to literally, 1, pick the niche with the domain. After you get your niche and domain settled, you know exactly what kind of products. You dig what I mean? Now you can go here and actually select the products. After your products are selected, you can activate your store and people can start purchasing. Or you can start booking a free training session and let the sales run in. So this is just a short step-by-step video that anybody can watch. So as soon as you get here, you can start watching this, bro. And they pride themselves on 100% hassle-free start. So they're saying they're going to launch and help you launch everything from A to Z. They just want you to tell them your preferences. No experience needed. Your store brings profits on autopilot and the management is totally beginner friendly. Then they saying you have financial independence, so you get an additional source of income and a brilliant opportunity to change your life for the better. As you ladies and gentlemen know, the goal is to get rich with AI. I've been generating well over $4,000 a month on, as you see here, using just pictures on Instagram. So I'm always looking for new ways to get more money, more paper, and to compound things on there that are not super difficult because I learned the skill of how to use AI and get my time back. So we're not constantly always in a rat race of trading our time for our money and being broke and being tired. You get me? So they're saying that this is the solution. So right here, you're going to be able to show you a store. So right here, they're claiming that you'll be able to set up an online free store as a solution. And this is going to take you under about 4 to 5 minutes to be able to set up. And as you see, here is how you get the store. You just subscribe to Sellvia Pro. Once you push get store for free button and finish your order, it's good. It automatically also includes a Sellvia subscription and you get a free trial. You fill out the survey, get your ready store, because on the survey, that's when you're gonna tell all the info you want, your niche, the demographic, the audience, the type of products, and then you can simply activate the store, bro. And when you activate it, you're actually gonna be able to book a free training session with the team. So what Sellvia is gonna do that's setting up the people apart is that they actually want you to succeed, because guess what? As soon as you set up the store, even with the free trial, by the way, because $0 is due, but we'll talk about that in a minute. You are going to get on the phone with the team and they're going to set you up for success. So you're not just going to be on there trying to freestyle, figure this out once you sign up for $0, might I add. You sign up and then you get on the phone with the team of people that know what they're doing, how to use the product, what tools to get, what things to sell. You understand what I'm saying? So this is a recipe for success. And there's been a plethora of people that have been giving testimonials saying they've made over $1,500 in revenue on week 1. So I'm not here saying it's going to solve all your problems. I'm not going to cap to y'all and lie to you. But what I am saying is It's a cool ass way to start your e-commerce business. So a lot of you want to sell products. You got friends, family, daughters, kids. Some of y'all are still in school who watch my content and you want to start selling, but you might not have the time. So you can go ahead and press this and get your store for free. And you can see how they help you easily manage everything, accept online payments, and actually create a brand without taking all your time. So as we scroll through, let's just look at some examples of people that's actually getting paid. And y'all know number talk, women lie, numbers don't lie, and money talks. So right here, we're just gonna scroll down the screen and just see some people that have actually generated money. So somebody started a car accessory stores that came from $0 to $1 million in 5 months. All right, so the revenue they bringing in is $500,000 a month. A baby store that reached $49,000 monthly. As you see, 49K a month. A classic store that makes 40 racks a month. And once you sign up, you can actually go into these and check the store out for yourself. Now let me show you something. I know what y'all asking, is it too good to be true? How much is it? Y'all cheap, and I know. You want everything for free and you think everything's supposed to be instant gratification. But look, I usually tell you, you're not gonna get instant gratification because you're not. But what I am telling you is I got something in store for you. When you click the link in the description, what you're gonna get is a link for a free trial. And that's 100% risk-free trial. And you put your card number on here, but guess what's due today? $0. So if you're comfortable, you're one of those people like, damn, I'm serious, I want the store, and when it's time to re-up and the trial is over, I'm ready to sign up for this in less than 60 seconds, you put your card number in, you pay nothing, and you get a free trial with 24/7 support. That's free, huh? And then they say you can cancel anytime. So anytime you're not satisfied with the service, and let's say you did add your card to this and you weren't satisfied for whatever reason, you can cancel and get your cheese back. Okay? So I'm not your guru. I'm not telling you what to do, but what I am here to do is lead you to the lake. And there's so many different tools that are coming in here, and this is a cool one. So you get a turnkey e-commerce store plus Sellvia Pro for $0 due today. $0. After that, it is literally $39 a month. Y'all spend $39 on terrible food, freaky ass other stuff you do all the time. This is a no-brainer, my dude. So $0 due today. This tool is called Sellvia. I think it's pretty damn cool. If you're looking for an entry, how to get into the e-commerce world and start getting your store made, selling products online with keeping your time to yourself, I think social media is always going to be the way. And then you got to have a store with it. So you need a link in bio, and Sellvia is going to help you do just that, or list your products on Amazon as well. So let me know what you think. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the description link right there because Sellvia is waiting for you. You did it.